Okay, the next part we are going to look at for your atomic structure or your atoms and molecules will be the ions. Okay, for the first 20 elements, the first shell can and must hold 2 electrons. The second shell can and must hold 8. The third shell can and must hold 8 electrons. This configuration, the 288, is what we call the noble gas configuration. 288 really means this is the first shell, the 8 is the second shell, and this is the third shell. Okay, so recall if you have your lithium again, Li, 3 and 7. Okay, there must be 3 proton, 3 electron, okay, and then 4 neutron. Take the big number minus the small number, you get the neutron. So to draw an atom of lithium, I will draw it something like this. The first circle that I draw is the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, there's 3 protons. Okay, and then there is 4 neutron. Okay, and then the shells are surrounding the nucleus. Okay, first shell can and must hold 2 electrons over here. First shell can and must hold 2. First shell can and must hold 2. Okay, so if I draw it, I can draw the electrons here. Alright, then because it's supposed to have 3 electrons, so the next electron should go into the second shell over here. Okay, this is your atom of lithium. Let's illustrate another example just to be very familiar with it. Okay, so for example, if I want to draw fluorine, so fluorine is element number 9, okay, and then 19, right? So 9, from the symbol itself, you should know there is 9 proton, 9 electron, and then 10 neutron. Okay, so same thing, draw the nucleus, 9 protons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10 neutron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is in the nucleus of fluorine. And then draw the shell. First shell can and must hold 2. Okay, so your electrons have 2. The next shell can and must hold 8. So there's already 2 electrons, but your fluorine got 9 electrons. So you have 1. You have electron number 1 over here and number 2. Okay, then we will continue to draw. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Draw all the 9 electrons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is your fluorine atom.